I didn't get them early. Nobody really wanted them for me to get them early, and they want to go in my collection. It passed for me, but let me know if it's a cop for y'all after this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them real quick. But these are the Air Jordan 14 Flint Grays. You know, I don't think a lot of people were expecting these. I think these kind of just came out of nowhere. And then again, Nike and Jordan's just like dropping a whole bunch of Jordans right now just to see what hits and what's not. And honestly, it's too many, and not a lot of people are really caring for them. So if you are interested in this after the video, you can literally probably just go to any site. I know they're still on Nike as I'm recording this video. So if you are interested in this shoe after the video, go ahead and check Nike out so you can get yours for retail. If you can't find your size, just comment in the section below. So let's get into the unboxing. Starting with the box, it's just a regular Jordan 14 box, painted gray all around. Then you have this kind of chrome Jumpman in the middle. I am a sucker for chrome, so we're gonna get into the size and ingredients. So it says Air Jordan 14 Retro Special Edition. Colorway is Flint Gray / Stealth White, as it says in the name. So these did already came out. I think these came out yesterday.